It unfortunately just about a week ago that we came to the 13.
It's been like 3 weeks getting to a month.
Yeah. No.
We're close to a month. And let's leave it for a month.
Dave,
we've been checking it every morning.
Dave, the thing is, if I'm selling it as the prices at the 13 cedis now, if I'm supposed to bring the price down in line with the 13, it means the difference that my brother is talking about. How do I make that difference? I will make that profit based on the fact that if I'm going to buy the dollar, but I'm supposed to pay my suppliers. So that money is not going to buy.
Is that the case for every business person? Hold on. Are we saying as we speak now that looking at the appreciation of the cedi against the dollar, none of you business people have imported goods that have come in with this dollar rates right now? The rates right now?
No.
No. You just said to me off air. Tony, hold on. Charles, hold on. Tony just said to me a while ago that there are people who have gone to, let's say, neighboring countries like Togo.
Yes. So I told you goods coming from the neighboring country because it takes a week or two for those goods.
And the dollar has stabilized for close to a month now. The depreciation has been close to a month now. Are you saying that
you've finished it, my brother? When is my turn?
It's your turn. No, it's your turn. Are you saying that without our space, nobody has brought anything from Togo at this rate of 13.5?
Okay. Dave, let me greet you this morning and tell you to calm down. Good morning to you, Dave, and good morning to your Church business, and good morning to the Ghanaian traders. And I'm a consumer and a customer. Yeah, and same to us.
But you, because you know you are robbing Peter to pay Paul.
No, Dave.
So let's talk about this. Yeah. Are you saying again? I just want clarity on this.
Yeah.
That ever since the city started doing well against the dollar, and automatically also doing well against the CFA, no business person has gone to, let's say, Togo, or has brought in goods at this rate, and the person is selling on the market
it's
right now.
It's possible that way.
Hold on, it's possible.
Yeah.
It's possible.
Yeah.
So if it is possible, we don't know the percentage though.
Yeah.
But if it's possible, how come those people are not reducing their prices?
The answer lies with what my brother told you. We had stocks in our warehouses and our shops before the
city started
doing well. So all those stocks are not yet sold. And we bought those goods at the rate of 16 and 16.2. So if you're asking me to sell it at 13 rate now, it means I want to make losses.
How?
Really? Because I bought the CD at 16.2, 16.0, and bought in the goods. Those goods are stocks in my shops. And they are the goods that we are selling now. I'm taking my situation as an example. When you make an order, the quickest you can have the spare parts here is 3 months. So every goods at Swam Magazine, Abosio Can, wherever, came in at the rate of 16.2 or the lowest being 16.0. So if you're asking me to go and reduce those goods, the prices, and let's not forget that we borrow money from banks to import those goods. So I'm owning my bankers, I'm owning my creditors, and I'm supposed to pay that money based on the 16.0 that I borrowed from the bank. So if you're asking me to sell it, I'm going to make losses, which I wouldn't get any money from anywhere to pay, unless of course I go to the same banks to borrow the same amount at this current rate of about 20-something%.
At what point in time will Ghanaians start seeing the benefits of these reductions?
So Dave,
so let me land.
Yeah.
Because don't forget that it's not just about the exchange rate. I mentioned a few other things that have come to play. The price of inflation has come down to 21.2.
The freight is even down now.
Yes.
Yeah.
I've talked about some of the taxes, the nuisance taxes. For e-levy, for example, is gone. Because hitherto
e-levy play no role with the prices of this country.
When we spoke to you a couple of weeks, if I may,
when we spoke to consumption tax.
E-levy,
but you pass it on to the consumer.
No, but that doesn't affect our price build.
It affected the price that we buy some of things. That is why Nana Prempe and I think it was you, Tony, who said that we had to do away with the e-levy. True or false?
Because
true or false?
True.
And we have done
true in the sense that let me explain myself. True in the sense that we have customers outside Kumasi who before the e-levy were ordering the goods, paying with the e-levy because of the but then there was no levies on that. But when the e-levy came to force, because they were going to lose some money, they didn't want to do the order by telephone or those things. So we thought when it's done away, people will be coming in, or they will be sending the money, and we'll be sending the goods to them. So doing away with it was very good. That one, by e-levy per se, doesn't have any effect on the pricing of goods, because it doesn't. When you buy the goods, there's nothing that you pay as far as e-levy is concerned.
Yeah. When are we going to see the reduction of price of these commodities?
That was the reason why in the beginning I was telling you to cool down. Dave,
so
definitely there's going to be a price down.
When?
Goods from neighboring countries, as I told you, from Togo, mostly the things that we sell at the KGT Dubai, most of them comes from Togo. So going forward this week, the following week, prices will come down based on the fact that they got the safer at a lower rate than they used to buy it.
So if I
definitely the prices are going to come down. This morning,
if I may,
Dave,
this week, you say we're going to see reductions.
Some reduction definitely is going to happen. This is a message from the Guta president nationwide, telling us to reduce our prices, and we are going to adhere to that. Because
so the Ghana Union of Traders Association, Guta, wishes to appeal to the trading community to adjust prices of goods and services to share the significant gains made by the appreciation of the cedi against the major trading currencies and bring some relief to the consuming public. Signed, Dr. Joseph Obing.
Yeah. They've, at higher prices, note that we are in to sell the goods, but not to hold them in stock. So if the prices are so high, people don't buy from us. So if the prices will come down and we can sell fast and get even a little out of it, it makes the business so fast and we get a lot. So that one there, everybody is for it. And we don't pride ourselves, like my brother said, that...
This message from the president.
Yes, this is from the president.
They didn't say things that you have imported from Togo.
Yeah. No.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Ghana Union of Traders Association wishes to appeal to the trading community to adjust price of goods and services to share the significant gains made by the appreciation of the cedi against major trading countries. It didn't say goods from Togo.
Dave, he made the statement.
You are talking about goods you have, at the warehouse.
Can I come in now?
Dave, I have